Alright guys, this is a test of the Craftsman C3 impact. These are the wheels I'm going to be taking the lug nut off of, the lug nut I'm going to take off of. I've been pushing the limits to it. I've got a Craftsman torque wrench right here that I'm going to torque them down with, and the last torque setting on this wrench, as you can see right here, is 150 foot-pounds, and I've got it at 140 right now, and that's where I've stopped with it because I really don't want to tighten these lugs on my truck actually any tighter than this. And this is actually the one I'm going to torque down. As you can see, it's loose right now. I'm going to torque it down. I'm going to try to do this one-handed, but hold on a second. Kind of get it seated on there, and then I'll tighten it down. Alright, like I said, I got it set to 140 foot-pounds, as you can see right there. Alright, go ahead and put this bad boy on here and tighten it down. Yeah, I know what some of you guys are going to say too. I should be using an impact socket, and I don't have a 3/8 drive, but I'm going to get one. Alright, there you go. I'm going to click it one more time. Now, obviously I'm not going to use the extension with the impact because that eats up some of the torque. But this is the C3 3-speed. You'll notice it's on the third speed setting. Let's go ahead and see what she's got. There you go. Busted it loose. She's got some nuts. Didn't see very many videos of this thing really testing the limits. Like I said, I don't want to tighten the lug nuts on my truck down any tighter than this because I keep them at about 100 foot-pounds. So I think 140 is where I'm going to stop at. But anyway, there you go. Have a good one, guys.